Samke's brother Makwela Musamseleku's fifth wife. Her brother posted a video about their relationships with Makumalo, Mayeni and Mangwabe. You understand? So he's saying she is not fighting with Makumalo, Mayeni and Mangwabe, but Makumalo, those wives, they are not staying at Muzumbe. You understand? They are not staying at Muzumbe. Last time we know that they are shooting about new houses, what, you understand? And then Makumalo, she was already brought her own house. So those wives, I think that they are waiting for the fifth wife, and the fifth wife, she is already there. So Samke's brother, he was explaining that Makumalo, Mayen and Mangwabe, it's long time they are staying at Muzumbe. So now they are not staying at Muzumbe. The person who is staying at Muzumbe is her sister Samke. So the journalists, they want news from Samke's family. They want to know what is happening. You understand? What is happening in Mseleku's family. You know that journalists, they want news. So Samke's brother, he was posting a video that they are not fighting with Makumalo. Even Makumalo, Mayen and Mangwabe, they are in a good relationship. You understand? But those wives, they are not staying at Muzumbe. No one lives marriage, but they are not staying at Muzumbe. They have brought themselves new houses. You understand? You know that Musamseleku, he wants to brought Macele a new stand. You know that Macele, she doesn't work like other wives. So those things, they become slow. Macele, she doesn't have a new house. Maybe she is building. She is in building a new house. But Makumalo, she was already have a new house. She is renovating a new house. You understand? Because Makumalo, she have got a lot of money than other wives. You understand? You know that Makumalo, she have got her own mind. You understand? She have got her own mind. Even Mangwabe, we don't know the relationship about Mangwabe and Musamsele, but we know that Mangwabe, she is employed. She's a nurse. You know that. Even Macele. But even Mayeni, those wives, they are independent. But Mayeni, she is waiting for Musamsele to do everything for her. You understand? Guys, that man, he was explaining that they are in a good relationship with those wives. Samke, she doesn't fight with those family, because now Samke, she is not safe now with people. You understand? Samke, she is not safe. So that her brother, he posted a video that her sister now, she is not safe because of journalists. Journalists, they want news from some kids family, because even they want to know everything about Museleku's family.